Welcome back to Taiwan Tech Dispatch. This is a show where we explore technology, geopolitics, AI trends, and the industries shaping the next decade, all from a Taiwan-centered global perspective. I'm your host, White Shu. When people think about Taiwan, they usually think about semiconductors, hardware manufacturing, or global supply chains. But today, Taiwan is also trying to tell a different story. A startup story. In this episode, I want to talk about Startup Island Taiwan. Not a single startup, not a single accelerator, but a national startup brand. And more importantly, why this kind of branding matters in a world where startups are competing, not only on technology, but also on visibility, narrative, and global attention. Chapter 1. What is Startup Island Taiwan? Startup Island Taiwan is Taiwan's national startup brand. Its goal is simple but ambitious: to help Taiwan's startups be seen, be understood, and be trusted globally. This is not just a logo. It's not just a marketing campaign. Startup Island is a platform, a community, and a shared international identity for Taiwanese startups. Instead of every founder having to explain Taiwan from scratch, Startup Island provides a common starting point. Is Taiwan saying, we don't just build products for the world, we build startups for the world. Chapter 2. Why Taiwan needs a unified startup brand. For a long time, Taiwan's startup ecosystem had a paradox. Individually, there were many strong founders, strong teams, strong execution. But internationally, Taiwan didn't have a clear collective story. Great startups existed, but their exposure was fragmented. Now look at other countries. Singapore has Startup SG. Korea has Born to Global. Japan has J Startup. These are not just programs. They are national signals. They tell the world this country takes startups seriously. Startup Island Taiwan feels that missing layer. It creates a single narrative entry point, making it easier for the global ecosystem to recognize Taiwan as more than just a manufacturing hub. Chapter 3. From Branding to Global Action. Branding alone, of course, is not enough. Startup Island Taiwan shows up where global startups show up. CES / Web Summit Switch. Instead of appearing as isolated booths, Taiwanese startups appear together as parts of a national innovation cluster that changes perception. Branding becomes market access. Chapter 4: Startup Island's role in Taiwan's startup ecosystem. Startup Island does not replace existing programs. It complements them. Think of it as the narrative layer, not the administrative layer. Without a story, even strong systems remain invisible to the outside world. Chapter 5: What this means for founders and investors. For founders, Startup Island means faster international exposure, credibility before the first meeting even begins. For investors, it lowers the cognitive barrier to understanding Taiwan as a startup hub. Closing: why Startup Island matters long-term. Startup Island Taiwan is not about hype. It's about consistency, visibility, and long-term positioning. And if you want to understand why visibility matters so much for Taiwanese startups, I recommend going back to episode 30. Episode 30 and episode 33 together give you both the founder level challenges and the national strategy behind them. Thanks for listening. This is Taiwan Tech Dispatch. I'm White Shoe. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next episode.